Okay, students, today we will learn about computer languages. Let us understand assembly language, second generation. This language uses mnemonic codes or symbols in place of 0 and 1. For example, if the operation code for add is 0010 in binary language, it can be directly written as add in assembly language. Since assembly language uses symbolic codes, it is easier to work with assembly language than in binary language, as it is evident that a computer can understand only machine language. So, assembly language programs have to be converted into machine language. Translator programs known as assemblers were developed to convert the assembly language program into machine language. A program written in assembly language is called the source program, whereas the program converted into machine language by the assembler is called object program or object code. Like machine language, assembly language is also machine dependent, and programming in this language is quite time consuming. Thus, it is also regarded as a low-level language, LLL. Let us understand high-level language, third generation. The restrictions in the usage of machine and assembly languages prompted people to develop a language with the following features. Simple and user-friendly language. Language that is machine independent. Owing to the above-mentioned features, it became easy to learn and use the computer languages. A large number of people started writing computer programs using these third-generation languages. These are also known as high-level languages, HLL. A high-level language is quite similar to English language. Basic C, C++, Java, etc. are some of the very popular examples of high-level languages. High-level language programs need to be translated into machine language by using the translator programs. A translator program is used to convert a high-level language program into machine language. There are two types of translator programs which are as follows. Interpreter. An interpreter translates line by line, executes the instruction and then repeats the procedure for the remaining instructions. If any errors are found, they are to be removed immediately, as the converted form is not stored anywhere, so it has to be generated at the time of execution of a program. Interpreter programs are preferred for beginners and are in slow execution speed. Suppose the French president is visiting India on an official tour. In order to understand each other, both the French president and the Indian Prime Minister would require an interpreter to translate the French language into English language and vice versa. Compiler. A compiler is a translator program used to convert a high-level language program into machine language. It translates the whole program at once. That is, it generates the object code for the program along with the list of errors. The execution speed of a compiler is faster as compared to an interpreter.